Hello, my beautiful island bears. Welcome back to another weekly vlog. If this is your first time seeing this face, firstly, thank you for stumbling onto my channel. Allow me to introduce myself. Hi, my name is Winnie, your soon-to-be favorite island doll. I am a plus-size lifestyle content creator, certified educational psychologist, and also a life and personal development coach from the beautiful Bahamas. I make content centered around plus-size fashion, empowerment, body positivity, careers, and so much more. If those seem like things that interest you, find that subscribe button and hug it. Hug it so tight so that you can join my little teddy kingdom and be updated whenever I post new content. You guys, this video is all about couponing. Yes, you heard right. Couponing. We're talking couponing in the Bahamas. Now, before we go any further, take it out of your head back. If you think this is couponing like what you see in the States, in Canada, and all those other places. Now, to my understanding, we don't have the luxury to do mega couponing like they do. So what I am showing you is couponing-ish. Yes, our version of couponing and how we go about it. I'm showing you the stamps we use, the cards, and where you can spend at a store that allows this kind of saving give back situation, which is our little version of couponing. So I've been saving a few, and I'm going to be putting them together with you. Yes, we're putting these cards together and then we're going to spend them. Okay? So if you've ever wondered if you can coupon in the Bahamas and just how you do that, and if you visited the Bahamas and you got those little stamps and so far from the store and you dumped them because you didn't know what they were, all that's about to change. Okay? So we have a lot of gluing and pasting to do. So let's get started. As I stated in the intro, this video is all about a mini version of couponing in Nassau, Bahamas that can help save you a bundle on your groceries using this item here. Now, I know you're probably wondering, Winnie, what's that you're holding in your hand? But before we get into that, picture this. You're booked and now enjoying your vacation in paradise, basking in the warm Bahamas sun, sipping your tropical drinks. So you decided to extend your vacation, but that wasn't in the plans. So you're quickly going to realize how eating out too often in New Providence can quickly get expensive. So that means it's time to start cooking in, which means it's time to take a trip to the local grocery store. And trying to keep in budget is the goal. Luckily, the journey begins at Super Value Quality Supermarkets, a local favorite for grocery shopping. Here, they have super deals and weekly specials all the time. And with a keen eye, you can spot a little twist on couponing, quality stamps. Super Value has many locations, not limited, but including few are Sandy Port, East Street, Golden Gates, Cable Beach, just to name a few. Now back to what I was holding in my hand. This is how one of Super Value's Cash Saver special program card looks. And this is how their version of coupons you use to fill this card looks, called quality stamps. Now you can use water to loosen the adhesive on the back of each stamp to paste them, or simply do like I do and just use glue. Once your card is filled, this is how it looks. And each completed card is equivalent to $1. Each card holds 4 columns, each column containing 3 slots that should contain 3 coupons or stamps. And again, each filled card is equivalent to $1. Now I've brought you up to speed. Let's start pasting and putting these cards together.
Told me I'm someone. Know that I'm someone. No, I'm a child of God.
from my sin, cleanses deep within, and I know that you forgive all unrighteousness. And it makes no sense to me why you died for your enemies. Now I live, so draw me close. Darkness loses its hold on me, so draw me close. Darkness loses its hold on me. Highs and lows, Lord, you're with me either way it goes. Should I rise or should I fall? Yeah. Even so, Lord, your mercy is an even flow. Should I rise or should I fall? Lord, you're faithful through it all. Jesus, you're faithful. You're too good to let me go. One, two, three, four. I just know that when you hold me and draw me closely, it's the sweetest thing. And you don't change. I don't want it my way. I just know that you are. You're the quiet that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. 'Cause you gave yourself to me, I'll give it all. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. Oh, I scarcely see it, but I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part. You're the sunrise after a dark night. You're the one I desire. When I wake up, I'm wrapped in your love, and my heart just feels so light. Living water when I'm stuck in the desert. Nothing matters when I'm far from my shepherd. You're the compass of my life. Ooh, I just wanna see how beautiful you are. Oh, I scarcely see it, but I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, Lord, you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, Jesus. Oh, you're Cozy. Nothing but love. but it's still love. Nothing but love for you. Nothing but love. Nothing but love. Don't keep me sleep past 1 a.m.
A few moments later.
And one quality stamp pasting marathon later, I am officially done. You guys, it felt like I was pasting stamps forever. But look at this. Look at all these cards I have completed spread across my table. Look at it. So comment down below how much you think I was able to curate. Don't cheat. Don't cheat. Comment from now exactly your best guess on how much funds you think I was able to curate out of these cards. Once again, for reference, every completed super value cash saver card is equivalent to $1. But y'all, now that I have the cards finished finally, it's time to head to the store and spend them. So let me pack these up and let's go.
I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone.
Okay, so as you saw earlier, we had a little mini coupon slash stamp pasting marathon. I was able to curate $66 in stamps, and since then I did go to the food store and spend those stamps. It came up to just nearly that. I only had to put $2.15 in fiat currency, which is just your dollar bills. So in all, the groceries I bought came up to $68.15. The stamp covered the $66, and I just put like I said, $2 in cash, $2.15 cash money. I will try to put in a little bit of videos showing me in the food store, and I will try to put some pictures or videos of the items that I was able to purchase. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If so, remember to hit that thumbs up button, comment down below if you would try our version of couponing, or even talk about your couponing where you live and how you coupon, or even if you have any accessibility to be able to coupon, because I know a lot of places don't coupon, much less even have stamps or anything like that to like cash back anything. So comment down below and let me know. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And as always, you guys, remember to be you unapologetically, and I will see you in the next video.